Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Kindness and Candor episode. Feel free to hit that subscribe bell, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to get notified for our latest episodes. And if you guys want to, feel free to send us a voice note, leave a message, leave a reply to any of our latest episodes. And now, let's jump into the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Kindness and Candor episode. Hope you guys are all doing well. Happy Monday to everyone. If you guys are enjoying your Monday, let me know down in chat what is going on. So, if you guys heard part 1 where I gave a breakdown of why it matters, I'm going to tell you in part 2 of this episode, how you can implement the kindness and candor traits for yourself and for your business. So it really matters that you in your mind you think about why it matters, what you think it means, and why is it so important that you develop this. And it is very, very crucial to understand the basic fundamentals of having kindness and candor, because candor is a huge part of everyday life, and also kindness as well. Kindness, empathy, and it's the ultimate guide of how to be successful within your business, with your finances, with your whatever it is. So it is very, very crucial to implement this into your daily life. And so a lot of people that I meet in business that I talk to don't have this. So their SOPs or standard operating procedures are totally out of whack, because they think it's just all business, all go. You have to understand how you can help your employees, how you can develop a one-on-one with them, with all your employees, as a matter of fact, not just one individual. Like if you got 700, 200, whatever the number is, even if you have 50, you can develop that one-on-one with them. If you guys got managers, supervisors, you can help develop them, and they can in turn develop your employees, to have that kindness, that candor, that develop the relationship with the potential customer, in selling their products or their services, or their services, their products, their business. And it gives them a background of how to understand what the business is, how they operate, and what the rules and regulations is, and to just implement that, and to build a relationship with the customer, to not essentially make the customer your friend, but to build that relationship, to get to the point where they can get a product, or help them with their service, or whatever dynamic that you're in, and get them to a solution. It's always important to have a potential customer or client, you as the operator or business owner or entrepreneur, help solve that problem and deliver on, if you have a product, you'll deliver the product. If they have a problem with it, or or a question or concern, or whatever the case is, it's always important to implement that into your business and your life. So it's very, very crucial that you guys do this. And so if you guys have a business, if you guys have a small business, medium business, large company, it's always important to implement kindness and candor and build that relationship with the customer, because relationship building with the customer is very, very crucial. Whether you're a small business, medium size, a large business, or if you're a startup, it's always important to build that relationship. So that's why kindness and candor go hand in hand, along with relationship building. So if you want to establish yourself, always think about, how can I help the customer? How can I, build that relationship with the customer? How can I understand what the customer wants? It's always about the customer, what the customer is looking for, what the customer wants, what the potential buyer wants, what the potential customer, buyer, seller, what they want. Alright guys, so if you guys did enjoy this episode, be sure to hit me up on Twitter, or hit me up on Anchor. You guys can feel free to leave me a voice note, and let me know your guys' thoughts on this episode and what you guys think. And if you guys do have a business, how you're implementing the kindness and candor perspective in your own business. Alright. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are on Apple, or follow us on your favorite podcasting platform and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care and have an awesome Monday, guys. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time out of your busy day to take a listen to our latest episode. If you guys did like this episode, feel free to leave a comment, leave a reply. We're always answering your questions, and if you guys have a question, feel free to leave it on Spotify, or send us a direct a voice note on Anchor if you guys are listening to us on Anchor. And yeah, like I said, once again, if you guys are new, feel free to click that subscribe button and join the family, and we would really appreciate it. And we just want to thank you once again for taking the time out of your busy day to listen to us and and we will see you guys on the next episode of the Daily Social Podcast. Take care, guys.